Oh, hi. Didn't see you there.
Just kidding, of course I knew you were there.
Hi, I'm Ali from Candid Tourists, and this channel is all about travel experiences around Tasmania or cruising or about the place, fine dining, places to go out, that sort of thing. Bit of vlogging, bit of photography and a little bit of reviewings. A mixed bag of everything. But I just wanted to point out something that you may not have realised before, and I did have a freebie going back a couple of months ago, and I just wanted to remind any of you who may be viewers of this channel that this is available to you. The video that I made was called Phonography Tips for Beginners. And in the description of that video, I offered this free ebook for anyone who watched it. So I'm just letting you know that it is there, and the link is again in this description, just in case you missed it, because it was right at the end. Many of you may not make it to the end. I know, I understand, you know, sometimes those videos do go a bit long. I tend to waft on a little bit. So if you would like a copy of this, there are 5 tips. You can use the link in the description below and download this one for free as a gift to you for being a viewer of my channel. If for any reason the link doesn't work, because this is my first time trying something like this, please comment and let me know so I can fix it and make sure that you get a copy of this. Okay? So until next time, there's some videos coming out this week on Tuesday and Thursday. Tuesday's video is all about Milford Sound, and I've got another review coming out on the Thursday. Or it might be the other way around, I don't know. Anyway, until I see you, have a great week, and I'll catch you in the next one.